Third Valli of Taittiriya Upanishad, translated by Max Muller. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. Recording by Jyoti Taravanat. Third Valli, or the chapter of Bhrigu. Hari Om. May it, the Brahman, protect us both. May it enjoy us both. May we acquire strength together. May our knowledge become bright. May we never quarrel. Peace, peace, peace. First Anuvaka. Bhrigu Varuni went to his father Varuna, saying, Sir, teach me Brahman. He told him this, namely, food, breath, the eye, the ear, mind, speech. Then he said again to him, that from whence these beings are born, that by which, when born, they live, that into which they enter at their death. Try to know that. That is Brahman. He performed penance. Having performed penance, second Anuvaka, he perceived that food is Brahman. For from food these beings are produced. By food, when born, they live, and into food they enter at their death. Having perceived this, he went again to his father Varuna, saying, Sir, teach me Brahman. He said to him, Try to know Brahman by penance, for penance is the means of knowing Brahman. He performed penance. Having performed penance, third Anuvaka, he perceived that breath is Brahman. For from breath these beings are born. By breath, when born, they live. Into breath they enter at their death. Having perceived this, he went again to his father Varuna, saying, Sir, teach me Brahman. He said to him, Try to know Brahman by penance, for penance is the means of knowing Brahman. He performed penance. Having performed penance, fourth Anuvaka, he perceived that mind, Manas, is Brahman. For from mind these beings are born. By mind, when born, they live. Into mind they enter at their death. Having perceived this, he went again to his father Varuna, saying, Sir, teach me Brahman. He said to him, Try to know Brahman by penance, for penance is the means of knowing Brahman. He performed penance. Having performed penance, fifth Anuvaka, he perceived that understanding, Vijnana, was Brahman. For from understanding these things are born. By understanding, when born, they live. Into understanding they enter at their death. Having perceived this, he went again to his father Varuna, saying, Sir, teach me Brahman. He said to him, Try to know Brahman by penance, for penance is the means of knowing Brahman. He performed penance. Having performed penance, sixth Anuvaka, he perceived that bliss is Brahman. For from bliss these things are born. By bliss, when born, they live. into bliss they enter at their death. This is the knowledge of Bhrigu and Varuna, exalted in the highest heaven in the heart. He who knows this becomes exalted, becomes rich in food and able to eat food healthy, becomes great by offspring, cattle, and the splendor of his knowledge of Brahman great by fame. Seventh Anuvaka. Let him never abuse food, that is the rule. Breath is food, the body eats the food, the body rests on breath, breath rests on the body. This is the food resting on food. He who knows this, food resting on food, rests exalted, becomes rich in food, and able to eat food healthy, becomes great by offspring, cattle, and by the splendor of his knowledge of Brahman, great by fame. Eighth Anuvaka. Let him never shun food, that is the rule. Water is food, the light eats the food, the light rests on water, water rests on light. This is the food resting on food. He who knows this food resting on food rests exalted, becomes rich in food, and able to eat food healthy, becomes great by offspring, cattle, and the splendor of his knowledge of Brahman, great by fame. Ninth Anuvaka. Let him acquire much food, that is the rule. Earth is food, the ether eats the food, the ether rests on the earth rests on the ether. This is the food resting on food. He who knows this food resting on food rests exalted, becomes rich in food, and able to eat food healthy, becomes great by offspring, cattle, and the splendor of his knowledge of Brahman, great by fame. Tenth Anuvaka. Let him never turn away a stranger from his house, that is the rule. Therefore a man should by all means acquire much food. For good people say to the stranger, there is food ready for him. If he gives food amply, food is given to him amply. If he gives food fairly, food is given to him fairly. If he gives food meanly, food is given to him meanly. He who knows this recognizes and worships Brahman as possession in speech, as acquisition and possession in up-breathing prana and down-breathing apana, as action in the hands, as walking in the feet, as voiding in the anus. These are the human recognition of Brahman as manifested in human actions. Next follow the recognitions of Brahman with reference to the Devas, namely, as satisfaction in rain, as power in lightning, as glory in cattle, as light in the stars, as procreation, immortality, and bliss in the member, as everything in the ether. Let him worship that Brahman as support, and he becomes supported. Let him worship that Brahman as greatness, Maha, and he becomes great. Let him worship that Brahman as mind, and he becomes endowed with mind. Let him worship that Brahman as adoration, and all desires fall down before him in adoration. Let him worship that Brahman as Brahman, and he will become possessed of Brahman. Let him worship this as the absorption of the gods in Brahman, and the enemies who hate him will die all around him. All around him will die the foes whom he does not love. He who is this Brahman in man, and he who is that Brahman in the sun, both are one. He who knows this, when he has departed this world, after reaching and comprehending the Self which consists of food, the Self which consists of breath, the Self which consists of mind, the Self which consists of understanding, the Self which consists of bliss, enters and takes possession of these worlds, and having as much food as he likes, and assuming as many forms as he likes, he sits down singing this Psalm of Brahman: Ha-vu, ha-vu, ha-vu. I am food, object. I am food. I am food. I am the eater of food, subject. I am the eater of food. I am the eater of food. I am the poet who joins the two together. I am the poet. I am the poet. I am the firstborn of the right, Rita. Before the Devas, I was in the center of all that is immortal. He who gives me away, he alone preserves me. Him who eats food, I eat as food. I overcome the whole world. I endowed with golden light. He who knows this attains all this. This is the Upanishad. End of third Vali. End of Taittiriya Upanishad. Recording by Jyoti Taravanat.